Namaste guys, welcome to the unboxing video of the brand new iPhone SE 2nd generation. To start with, how about we quickly go through the specifications. It's available with 3 storage capacities and 3 color variants, that is black, white and product red. Now discussing about the display, it includes Apple's patented Retina HD display. It's a wide screen LCD with IPS technology and 326 ppi, one of the best LCDs in the market. There is haptic touch in place of 3D touch. Now about the main camera, it features a 12 megapixel wide camera with OIS and up to 5x digital zoom. Portrait mode comes with advanced bokeh and depth control so that you can control the amount of background blurs. Portrait lighting effects helps in shooting studio-like portraits. Videos can be captured in up to 4K resolution with OIS 3x digital zoom and stereo audio format. The front camera is a 7 megapixel FaceTime HD camera with Retina flash, screen acting as a flash, portrait mode and portrait lighting. It also supports 1080p video recording. Talking about the power, it holds the A13 Bionic chip, one of the top-notch SoC with 3GB of RAM. This combination will easily cater to all your processing needs. Here the box is so fluid, opened very easily. Now we can see some leaflets over there. So let me just pull it one by one to show you guys. And the first one, I think, yeah, it's a product red information card. It describes the red product. And sorry for the defocus guys, it is just an information. And second is the kind of quick start guide, just telling you the side buttons and power buttons and some volume buttons. This is a SIM ejector tool for the SIM tray. And this is the promotional sticker from Apple. Yeah. So now let's lay our hands over this small beast, and you can see the whole black screen is for immersive look, and the finish is great. I mean, the red color is extremely beautiful, and that gloss is giving a great kind of topping over it. This is a 5-watt adapter. It also supports fast charging through 18 watt. You have to buy it separately. Now these are the AirPods, or this is the AirPod with lightning connector, not a 3.5mm jack. This doesn't support it. Okay, so this is the USB cable for connecting to MacBook or your laptop, or for charging as well. Now you can see there is no 3.5 jack, volume rockers and silent button, and one setup single camera, SIM card tray. It also supports dual SIM through eSIM. Now this is so satisfying to just peel off that layer of plastic, and the whole feel is so premium, so solid. Means this size, it's suiting very well to my hands as well as to many hands. And this is a camera, so I'll also show you some camera shots for the sake of your review. Here you can see the zoom capability. Left image at 1x, right one at 5x. Both images are having a good clarity. These are 2 close-up shots with no zoom. The image is vibrant and sharp. You can observe here how to focus on 2 different depths in a close range shot. The job done is pretty well. The portrait mode capabilities of both the cameras are marvelous. Even the hair details are very discreet for single camera setup. Low light captures also works well. The images are finely detailed for a phone with no night mode. Apple tags this phone as lots to love and less to spend. if I consider the iPhone universe, then it's fairly true. You are getting the A13 Bionic chip, best camera in the range, and physical dimensions are very good enough to be lured. The phone can be easily operated with one hand, unlike the bezel-less alternatives in the market. It also has latest features like wireless charging and fast charging. So this is a very good phone to buy. Also, if you are using iPhone 8 or earlier models, and if you are an Android user who always wanted to buy an iPhone, this is a very promising phone to spend your money. Thank you.